Baby shorties, how we doing? Just a quick little tutorial here on how to measure the angles within a polygon. So here I have a parallelogram that's formed A, B, C, and D. And I might ask you guys to measure, using this GeoGebra app, measure the angles inside this polygon. So let's say I wanted to measure angle A. Angle A, again, is not the point, but the angle is the space between the two lines that form A. So notice that A is going to be formed here by line D, which is right here, and line A, which is right there. It's the space between. Remember, we measure angles in the degrees. So to measure the angle of A, I'm going to click on up here on my toolbar. I'm going to use the angle tool. So clicking on angle, it'll tell me below that if I select 3 points or 2 lines, I'll be able to measure angle A. So to do this, we're going to select 2 lines. So the 2 lines that form A are D and A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on D, and then I'm going to click on A. And notice that when I click on those 2 lines, this green mark inside, this is the angle mark, is going to show up, and it's going to tell you the measure in degrees of A, which in this case is 99.46. So all I do is click on the 2 lines. Now to show you this with B, sometimes when you measure the angle, again by clicking on 2 lines, you're going to see this. So let's say I click on B and A, my 2 lines that form angle B. And notice now I get the arc on the outside. So what this is measuring is not the angle inside the shape, but it's called an exterior angle outside the shape. So if I did this, if I get this, that means I clicked on the lines in the wrong order. I clicked on B first, then A, which means that I want to reverse this. I want to click on A first and then B. And notice now I get the angle on the inside. So that you can see this clear, I'm just using my pointer tool here, and I'm going to click on this outside angle, this exterior angle. I'm going to delete it. And notice that the angle I have here, which is what I want, would be 80.54. Notice that it's marked inside the shape. So real quick tutorial here on how to measure angles within any sort of shape.